Right, so this question we've got an algebraic fraction and we've got to do a bit of tidying up, so we're going to have a bit of FOIL on the top and we've got to work out how to deal with those square roots. So I think probably the easiest way to go about this is to write them as powers and see how we go from there. So let's have it. So we've got 2x minus 1 times by, now square root of x, hopefully you're happy, that's going to be x to the power half plus 3, divide the whole thing by x to the power half. And so now let's do some multiplying out. So we've got x times x to the power half. So this thing over here is 2x to the power 1. So x to the power 1 times x to the power half, that gives us x 1.5, so that's 3 over 2. So we've got from the first part of FOIL, that thing now times out there, that's going to give us 2x to the 3 over 2. Plus, let's do the 2x times by the 3, so that's going to be 6x. Now we've got minus x to the half. And then finally minus 3, and that whole thing there is being divided by x to the power of a half. Now what we're going to do now is divide each individual term on the top by the term on the bottom, because the whole thing is being divided by x to the power half. So let's just have a look at what's going to happen if I take the first pair. So if I take that one there and divide it by that one there. So what we've got is 2x to the power 3 over 2 divided by x to the power half. So that's going to give us, the 2's not going to remain untouched. Then we've got 3 over 2 divided by x to the power half. We're going to do subtraction, so that's just going to become 2x to the power of 1. And there you go, that's that bit done. So what we've got is now, that's going to be 2x to the power 1. We've got 6x, I'm going to scribble over here again, 6x over x to the half. So if we have a look at those bits there, that's x to the power 1 divided by x to the power half. So that's going to be x to the power half. So I've got plus 6x to the half. I've then got x to the half over x to the half. That bit's just 1. And it's a minus, so I've got minus 1. And then I've finally got minus 3 over x to the half. And so all that remains now is just tidy up that final term. So we've got 2x plus 6x to the half minus 1, and we've got 3 divided by x to the half, so that's going to become minus 3x to the minus a half. Now, I'd say you can do that final bit of tidying up if you want. You don't absolutely have to. It depends what the question's asking for, but I figured we'd just kind of write it all on a single line and get rid of the division bit. And there we go.